What if I told you that you could start making $100 a day using just Canva and free AI tools, even if you're a complete beginner? No design experience, no coding, no paid ads. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through a method that's perfect for students, freelancers, or anyone who wants a simple and scalable side hustle. Let's get started. Here's what we're going to do. Use AI to generate ideas or content. Use Canva to design products in minutes. Upload those products to free marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Fabrica. Start earning passively while you sleep. This method works because digital products are in high demand right now. Think planners, journals, social media templates, quote bundles, and more. Let's begin with what to sell. Here are 3 hot-selling, beginner-friendly digital products. Printable planners, daily, weekly, fitness, budget, meal planners. Motivational. Quote bundles, great for Instagram creators or print-on-demand shops. Social media templates, like Instagram carousels or Pinterest pins. You can pick just one to start. We'll go with a motivational quote bundle for this tutorial because it's super easy and fast to create. Now we'll use AI to generate content for us. Open ChatGPT or another AI writing tool and type, "Give me 20 short motivational quotes for entrepreneurs." Copy those into a document. These will be the quotes we'll design in Canva. You just saved hours of brainstorming with AI. Pretty cool, right? Now let's head to canva.com. Free account is enough. Search for Instagram quote post or Pinterest pin template. Choose a clean professional template and just replace the text with your quotes. Customize the font, colors, and background to make it unique. Create around 10-20 of these and download them as PNGs or a zip folder. Now that you have your product, let's upload it to a marketplace. Gumroad. No upfront cost, easy to start. Creative Fabrica. Great for quote bundles and design assets. Etsy. Massive reach, small listing fee. Upload your files. Write a simple product title like 20 motivational quote PNGs for entrepreneurs and add some tags like quote bundle, digital product, motivational PN. Set your price. Even $4.99 per bundle is great. Just 20 sales a day equals $100. Want sales faster? Here's how to promote for free. Use Pinterest. Create 3-4 pins using Canva with your product and upload them with keyword-rich titles. Use Instagram Reels or Stories to showcase how your quotes can inspire people or reach out to small creators who might want your bundle as part of their content strategy. Over time, your shop grows and you can start earning passively every day. And that's it. You just learned how to start a digital product side hustle using AI and Canva. No design skills, no paid tools. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a part 2. Until next time, keep creating and stay consistent.